Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make the easiest and most delicious champurrado. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious drink, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so we're going to begin by toasting our instant corn masa. We're going to add 1 cup into our pan. And this is just going to intensify the flavor. So we're going to set it on medium-low heat. And just make sure that you move it around and it doesn't burn. So we're going to toast it until it turns into a beautiful golden color. Okay, so after 6 minutes, our masa flour is ready. You don't want to burn it because otherwise your champurrado is going to taste a little burnt and we don't want that. So now we're just going to transfer it to a little bowl and allow it to cool down. Meanwhile, we work on the rest of our ingredients. So now we're going to grab our small pot. We're going to set it on medium heat. And to that, we're going to add 3 cups and a half of water, along with 2 piloncillos, 2 cinnamon sticks, 10 whole cloves, and a pinch of salt. And now we're just going to wait for our piloncillos to dissolve. Once our piloncillos have dissolved, we're going to add 2 Mexican chocolate discs. You can use Ibarra or Abuelita. And now we're just going to allow it to dissolve. In the meantime, we're also going to get our maseca ready. Okay, to our instant corn masa, we're going to add 1 cup and a half of water. And now we're just going to whisk until there's no lumps. Okay, so I added half a cup more water, so just like that, because we want it to be nice and runny, just like that. Okay, so now we're just going to set it to the side once we have it ready. Okay, so once the chocolate has dissolved, we're going to add our milk. I'm adding half a gallon. And to that, I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 can of evaporated milk. So now we're just going to continue whisking and allow our milk to heat up. After 5 minutes, our milk should have heated up. So at this point, we're going to remove the cloves. And you can remove the cinnamon sticks if you want as well, but just make sure that you get rid of all the cloves. So now we're going to add our instant corn masa and make sure that you're whisking when you're pouring. So now we're going to whisk for about 8 to 10 minutes or until we have our champurrado all nice and thick. Alrighty guys, and after 10 minutes we have our delicious champurrado. And this is for me perfect, but of course if you like your champurrado to be thicker, then just allow it to continue cooking until you're happy with the consistency. But I am so ready. And everything has dissolved, everything is mixed. Look at that. And it smells delicious. And the longer it sits, it's going to thicken up as well, so just keep that in mind. But I am so ready. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I am so ready. This is honestly the best champurrado. It's perfect for the upcoming holidays, your future potlucks, your family gatherings. I promise you that everyone is going to enjoy it. And of course, you know, the thickness is all preference. If you like it thicker, then just add a little less milk. But the flavor, it is honestly amazing. So grab your pan dulce and get ready to enjoy. And it's gonna be perfect right now for my throat, so I am so ready. Oh yeah, so good. It is so good. Seriously, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make the most delicious champurrado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you request this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.